Hi, I'm Camila. Welcome to my channel Mega Cooking Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to peel kiwi quickly and easy. Take kiwi, cut in half, and actually kiwi is ready to eat it. Just take a spoon and do it like this. So it's so quickly and easy to peel kiwi. But if you need to peel kiwi and to make a salad or any kind of dessert, there is another way. Just take kiwi, cut at the bottom, and cut the peel just this way, like this. So it's pretty quickly and easy, and kiwi is ready if you need it to peel and dice it for dessert or any kind of salad, so it's quite easy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, leave your comments below and subscribe. And remember, cook with love and enjoy your meal. Bye!